know you like your ears cleaned. You don't mind. Some dogs are. Every dog's different. Look at it. See, want your ears cleaned? Our dog Moses, he loved his ears cleaned. He could not get enough of ear cleaning. Look, you like it too, don't you? Let me see. Let me get your ears cleaned. Let me see. I can't do it like that. You gotta let me get over that. Oops. Kind of hard to phone. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. I didn't do it yet. There's nothing on there. No, you're not eating the Q-tips. But yeah. See, he doesn't mind. I'm not even doing a very good job. But look at that. Oh my goodness. You want to eat? No, don't eat the Q-tips. Now, Maybell, she's a little different. She didn't like it at first, but she got used to it, and she realized that, oh, if I get that dookie stuff out of my ears, I get a cookie. Oh, look at you, got some dirt on there, girly. Oh, that's not good. We're going to have to do them better. But then you get a cookie, so you're a good girl. But yeah, some dogs like it, some dogs hate it. Some dogs like water, some don't. She can drink milk. If he has a drop of milk, he throws up. So no milk for him. Right, girly?